Hola, my name is Angélica Negrón, and I'm one of the composers of the First Symphony Project, and I'm super excited to be here in Eugene this week to premiere my first symphony, Sinfonía Isleña, which is very much inspired by the vastness of natural landscapes of my native Puerto Rico. I was very inspired by the seas, by the flora, the mountains, the skies, and not only their beauty, but also the inherent complexity that they hold, particularly for people that have a relationship with them that involves distance. As someone that has been living outside of Puerto Rico for the past 15 years, I think about the memories that those landscapes hold and how the more time I'm away from them, the more abstracted they become in my memory. And I wanted to move beyond nostalgia and longing and kind of embrace that place of distance as a place of profound beauty and meaning. I also wanted to see what would happen if I approached this almost like a sculpture, if I played with tracing the shapes and lines of a mountain, of the oceans. What would that sound like if I intended to sculpt the sound inspired by the very same lines of those landscapes? And I also was thinking a lot about abstraction, how things leave an impression in our memory, how when we go see a concert or a symphony, we're not necessarily leaving the concert hall or the performance space with this memory of every single melody or rhythm or harmony, but more of a gesture or more of the impression that a big chord left on us, or the mass of sound that surrounded us at a specific moment, or how the percussion felt in our body. So I, in this symphony, try to in a way connect to those impressions and to the memory of abstraction in a way that felt genuine to how I experience music and how I feel others experience music. This symphony is my love letter to Puerto Rico, and I am so grateful to the Eugene Symphony and to the Santa Rosa Symphony for trusting me to write my first symphony, and I hope that you enjoy it. See you in the concert hall. Bye.